Today we're going to be making a Halloween recipe called Spooky Halloween Chips. Prep time for this is about 10 minutes. Ingredients. We're going to be using tortilla chips. You can use low carb or protein tortillas for a healthier version. Here I used carb solutions, olive oil, lime juice, cumin, chili powder, salt, and Halloween cookie cutters. I found these on Amazon. Instructions. So first we're going to preheat the oven to about 350 degrees. We're going to lay the tortillas flat and use cookie cutters to cut out the chips. I found that the cookie cutters were a little difficult in some places to cut, so I had to use a knife to kind of shape them a little bit. Next, lay the tortillas out flat on parchment paper on cookie sheets. I used a whole package of tortillas for this project. Next, mix the olive oil and lime juice and spray or use a pastry brush to coat the chips. Mix your seasonings, your cumin, your chili powder, and your salt, and lightly sprinkle onto the chips. And bake in the oven for about 7 minutes, and then flip the chips. Lightly sprinkle the seasonings on the other side and return to the oven, rotating the pans and switching racks. Check to make sure they don't burn. They easily, especially these carb solutions, they cooked a little quicker. Remove from the oven and cool slightly before serving. The chips will crisp up as they cool. You can serve with salsa. Enjoy!